It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 176. We have 3x squared minus 4y cubed is equal to 8. Then what is the value of a second derivative at the point 2, 1? Okay, this is the equation in implicit form, so we're going to do implicit differentiation. So 3x squared minus 4y cubed is equal to 8. So let's differentiate with respect to x. So 3x squared, that's 6x, minus 4y cubed, that's 12y squared times derivative of y dy dx. Is equal to derivative of 8, constant is 0, right? Okay, so let's solve for first derivative. Here, this is our first derivative. Negative 12y squared dy dx is equal to negative 6x. So, negative cancels out. Divided by 6, divided by 6. So we have 2y squared, right? Here we have 2y squared. So dy over dx is equal to x over 2y squared. Now we're going to find the second derivative here. So second derivative, the notation for second derivative is this, right? Is equal to, here, this is a fraction, so we're going to apply the quotient rule, okay? Here, we have 1/2. This is actually 1/2 times x over y squared, right? So when constant is multiplied, leave this one alone and apply quotient rule for this. So denominator squared, y to the 4. Low d high, low derivative of high minus high derivative of low. So derivative of y squared 2y times dy over dx. Right? So that is equal to 2y to the power of 4 y squared minus 2xy times dy over dx is x over 2y squared, right? So instead of dy dx, I'm going to write x over 2y squared. Now substitute 2 for x and 1 for y, right? So our second derivative at 2, 1 is equal to, here, I'm going to substitute 1, 1, 1, and 2 for x. 2, 2, here 1. So that's going to be 1 minus 2 times 2 times 1 times 2 over, isn't it? 2 over 2? That's a 2 over 2, right? And 2 times 1 squared, which is 2. 2 times 1 to the power of 4, that's 2. So that is equal to, denominator is 2. Here we have 1 minus 4, right? 1 minus 4. So that's going to be negative 3 over 2. So our second derivative at the point 2, 1 is negative 3 over 2.